I'm going to show you how to have everything on autopilot. And after you get your digital franchise from virtualincome.net, then what you want to do is go to virtualsms.net and get your virtual phone set up, your business phone. And that would allow you to get a phone number, and also is a marketing system that allows the user to market and get leads and sales through that system. So it's another marketing tool that is a must for anyone who is wishing to make at least a $10,000 income from your laptop. Okay, so make sure that you get your virtual phone at virtualsms.net.